didn't go far. It's over there.
It's so hard to fly.
I think they're thirsty.
Oh
That's
yeah?
why they're coming here to drink water
Maybe.
in the pool.
How is this? Where are we going?
One of these cenotes.
And we're looking for iced coffee.
Do you think there's one iced coffee here? Cenote dos Ojos. Yeah, that's our villa. What do you think?
I had no anxiety.
How does it feel there?
Very cute and relaxing. She could do this too.
Like burnt and my skin hurts a lot. What should I do?
Do nothing, enjoy.
Should I avoid some sun for today? Can you swing this? Wow! Whoa!
It's nothing.
I'm sitting in the kitchen. You're sitting on my bedroom floor. Too hot to have you come. Too bad nothing happens in the summer.
What's the more coffee?
I have my coffee.
How's your coffee? Let's switch it.
I think this is better. This is too ripe. should be okay. It's fine. Don't worry. Okay. Thank you. Yeah, put it there. In the front. Good night. See you tomorrow. I wanna put some jalapeno on top a little bit too.
We just ask
Ask for what?
for information, like how difficult it is to do this. And they'll explain it to us.
It's good. Spicy, man. A little bit.
Not only that, but you put a lot on top.
It's good spice. If it's spicy, Are you making pillow?
For my neck and my spine. Oh, you see the bird? We gotta go over there.
Why?
There's these big birds with a big, huge here. They go up, and they dive in the water to catch the fish. And they collect so much water, they open their mouth, and this goes like this.
That one?
Yeah.
Because they're small, they're more of Niagara scale rather than Las Vegas. Even though I never been to Las Vegas. I think this is it. Is there more?
I think so, yeah.
Wow. Heading to dinner. Yeah, I'm gonna go first here. No fork. Hand. You gotta use hand.
Nah.
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
I want a fork here.
So that's for the onion. I'm gonna